In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show Google Drive images on a WordPress post or page. This method is perfect if you store your visuals in Google Drive and want a simple, reliable way to display them directly on your website. It helps keep your workflow smooth, your storage organized, and your WordPress content easy to update. Let's walk through the entire process step by step so you can use it with confidence. Start by opening Google Drive and signing into your account. Navigate to the folder where your image is stored. Once you locate the image you want to use, hover your mouse over it and click the share button. A sharing window will appear showing that the image is restricted by default. To make it viewable on your website, click the restricted option and change it to anyone with the link. This ensures your WordPress visitors can see the image without running into access issues. After making the change, click Done to save the settings. Next, open the image by clicking on it. When the preview loads, look for the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. Click on them and select Open in New tab. This step provides a direct version of the image that Google Drive can generate embed code from. In the New tab, click the 3 dots again and choose Embed Item. A small window will appear showing HTML code specifically for embedding this image on a web page. Carefully copy that entire code to your clipboard. Now switch over to your WordPress dashboard and open the post or page where you want the image to appear. In the editor, click the plus icon to add a new block. In the search field, type HTML, then select the custom HTML block. This block allows you to place code directly into your content. Paste the embed code from Google Drive into the block. Once it's pasted, choose the preview option so you can see exactly how the image will look on your live page. If the preview displays correctly, your image is ready to go. You can adjust its position, add surrounding content, or continue editing your post as needed. When you're satisfied with everything, simply save or publish your page and the embedded Google Drive image will appear to your visitors just as expected, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully embedded an image from Google Drive into a WordPress post or page using a simple and reliable method. This can be incredibly helpful when working with shared folders, collaborating with teams, or keeping large numbers of images organized outside your website. Thanks for following along, and feel free to check out my other tutorials for more helpful tools and tips to streamline your workflow.